Low water pressure in your toilet can totally mess with your bathroom routine, so here's how you fix it without calling in a plumber right away. Alright, first thing, check the supply line that brings water to your toilet. Sometimes it gets clogged or kinked, which cuts off the flow and makes your toilet flush weak. If it looks bent or crimped, try straightening it out gently. Next up, shut off the water valve behind the toilet and disconnect the supply line to inspect it for any blockages or buildup. If you see gunk, clean it out or replace the hose if it's old. Also, take off the toilet tank lid and check the fill valve. Sometimes sediment from your water can clog it, so give it a little clean or swap it if needed. Don't forget to look at the flapper valve inside the tank, since a bad seal can mess with flushing power too. Another tip is to make sure the water shutoff valve is fully open, because sometimes it's only partially open and you don't even realize it. Flushing a few times after these tweaks usually lets you know if you've fixed the problem or if it's time to look deeper. Lastly, consider checking your home's main water pressure if low pressure happens in other faucets too. It might be a bigger issue than just the toilet. One of the biggest mistakes people make with low water pressure in toilets is ignoring the supply line and just thinking the whole toilet needs replacing. That's a pricey move when a simple hose fix could do the trick. Another common problem is not cleaning the fill valve regularly, which leads to slow fills and weak flushes. Just a quick clean can save you tons of hassle. The third issue is assuming the shutoff valve is open all the way when sometimes it's slightly closed, so always double check that before troubleshooting anything else. Fixing these simple things usually gets your toilet back to normal without shelling out hundreds of dollars. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, so you don't have to stress about finding someone reliable. Plus, it helps contractors get steady work by connecting them with people who actually need their skills. Win-win for everyone.